Jack Scalfani from the Cooking with Jack show, and today we're talking breakfast food. Are you guys ready? Come on in close. Let me show you what I got. So let's run down all the ingredients. You ready? You got eggs, cheese, butter, baking powder, some ground pork down here, some ground beef down here. We're going to use both of them. We're going to make a lot of muffins. The giant muffin pan and milk. Don't forget the milk, okay? Okay, guys, make sure all your eggs are in the mixing bowl first. Start mixing them. As you can hear behind me, the oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to start mixing the stuff first. We're going to add everything in and while we're mixing. We're going to add in the milk. We're going to add in the butter. We're going to add in the salt and pepper. Put in there. Now I want you guys to listen carefully. When adding the baking soda, add it in slowly. You don't want it to clump up on you. So we're going to slowly add in the baking powder. You're going to want to grease your muffin tins with either butter or non-stick spray. Okay, we're going to line the bottom, a little bit of cheese in each compartment. All right, now take your choice of meat and place a layer of it right on top of the cheese. Okay, now we're going to put in our egg mixture. You want to go about 3/4 of the way up. You don't want to do any more than that because the baking powder is going to make each muffin rise. All right, next step. You want to make sure it's all stirred up. Yep, stir up all your muffin mix. Okay, you want to bake this at 375, 20 to 25 minutes. And that's how they're supposed to look right there. There it is. Breakfast in a muffin. Make sure you use the toothpick test like you do on a cake to make sure they're done and they're already cooked. Now that they're all cooked, you can freeze them up. They last a long time. Pop them in the microwave and eat one every day. There is no bread in this at all. No flour. All right, just baking soda. That's important. That's awesome. All right, let's try these out. You ready? I don't want to lose that. And that's it. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.